Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another vlog. In this video, I will show you how to make no-bake chalk slice. So this is a combination of milk, biscuit, and cocoa powder. And I will link my recipe on the description down below. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please watch until the end. Let's go mga besh! Siya guys, ilagay na natin. So I turn off the heat guys. Ilagay na natin yung sa ating biscuit. Dito na tayo. So guys, meron akong strainer. So, yan ko siya guys, strainer. Para yung mga chocolate na hindi na-dissolve, hindi better. Look at this, oh. Tapos, i-mix lang natin. Mix. Nag-absorb na siya guys. Oh, look at guys. So, ilagay na natin sa ating molding pan guys. Ito. We will put this in the fridge guys. Then we will make our toppings.
1 century later.
For the final toppings guys, we have ito guys, 3/4 cup of cream. Thickened cream ito. 3/4 cup of thickened cream. Then 100 grams of dark Choc. So medyo nag-heat up na siya guys. Ilagay na natin ang ating chocolate. At isok natin guys for 3 minutes. Then we are going to mix later. Okay? Just to make a little bit thickened. So then we will pour this one to our mixture. So guys, we are going to put this back to our fridge 3 to 4 hours, guys, before serving or overnight, okay? This is the best no-bake choc slice, guys. So thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you learned something out of my preparation, and I wish you can try this at your very own kitchen. Enjoy and have a great day, everyone. Bye bye.